Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a professional website using AI in just a few minutes, even if you have zero coding skills. Let's start. First, AI website builders are tools that automatically design your website for you. You just give some basic information, and the AI creates everything: layout, design, and content. Some popular tools you can use are Google AI Studio, Wix ADI, and Durable AI. These platforms are beginner-friendly and very fast. Now, Step 1. Choose an AI website builder and sign up. Step 2. Enter your website details like your name, business type, and purpose. For example, you can say, "I want a website for my online store," or a personal portfolio. Step 3. The AI will instantly generate a complete website for you. This includes images, text, and design. Step 4. Customize it. Change the text, upload your own images, adjust colors, and make it match your style. Step 5. Click Publish, and your website will go live on the internet. That's it, your website is ready. Why should you use AI? Because it saves time, it's easy to use, and you don't need any technical skills. What used to take days can now be done in minutes. But remember, AI helps you